There's two ways of creating invoices. One is directly on the case, and the other is just through this invoice screen here. Just click on the Add Invoice button. Once you add your invoice, you'll be routed to this screen. You can start selecting in your repaired unit, putting in your type of description, and then save that header. Once you save this here, you'll see that it has an invoice number. The case number is 0. If you add this case or the invoice through the case, you'd have the case number here supplied as well. Next, if we scroll down here, we have invoice line details and estimate line details. One allows you to, so if we do estimate line details, this will allow you to create an estimate and share this estimate out to a customer and get the approvals on it. Save this line. And then what you can do is you can actually share this particular invoice out, copy this, send out the invoice. And then what they can do is anybody externally can click on this approve button. If they have an account with our platform, they'll be able to just hit the approve button and it'll authenticate with their user and document the date and time that they approved it and who approved it. If it's an external person that doesn't have an account, they would just have to manually type in their name and then that approve button would work. Once it's approved, it'll move it over to the invoice line details section here and populate that on your invoice for you. If you do not want to do an estimate line details, you can just come directly into this particular screen and do the same process and select your invoice line items here. And then it just directly adds it in here for you. And that's how you create an invoice.